Have you ever wondered why owls hoot at night? It's more than just a midnight chorus. It's their nightly song. Owls mainly hoot for marking their area, calling for a partner, and scaring away enemies. They don't build nests. Instead, they take over existing places, singing to show it's theirs. When mating time starts in fall, the nightly song is louder. Owls lay between 4 to 6 eggs, with hatching spread out over weeks. The young ones grow up over a period of 13 to 14 weeks, learning to fly and hunt. After this, they leave their nest to find their own place. The nightly song starts again, so next time you hear an owl's hoot, remember, it's their nightly song, told by these interesting creatures. What do you think about this fact?